back left, home rollie or fucking roll home rollie?
Look at the gravity in action.
I'll tell you when they're trying to rush you. Just keep to the rollie. Keep to the rollie and back left.
As long as it doesn't hit my mom's camera, I'm good.
Snap shoot, snap.
Good hit, eh?
Is it with a red angel?
Yeah, it's Terry.
You guys were all gonna kill that.
Mike, look at the back of your hat. Look at the back of your hat, Mike.
I know, I saw it. Roll. Back left? No, the guy with the red angel.
Back left. Move up! Move up the field! Somebody! He has a fucking gravity hopper. He's not gonna freaking...
Half moon, back left. Got him. Half moon's gone, back left.
Oh, there's Terry. Hi. Move.
Hold up. Rollie. Oh, what a stupid move. Half moon. He's gonna get him out. Half moon. Tristan's gonna get him. Oh, dude, that was right in his direction.
Where's he?
He's out. He's out. I think. Oh.
No, he's not out.
Good job. Not listening to me.
Just bounce right up the rollie. Get up.
You know, if you had an electric hopper, you can do a lot of things.
Oh, you were wrong.
I know.
He's so hard to buy for it.
Keep him in.